Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to paint the brake caliper on the passenger side. I got it taped up. We got a heater out here blowing on it. It's about, I don't know, high 50s, low 60s, but with a breeze. But I'm in this wheel well and in the shade, and I just want to warm it up a little bit. So I'm gonna spray this here in a second and see where we get. Okay guys, so got the spring off, rented a spring compressor, got the coil spring off the strut, and now I painted it silver. This is the first coat. I just wanted to give it some contrast in there. So that's drying at the moment. I got about 3 minutes left for the next coat. And then over here, I got the caliper all painted up. It's ready to go. I just got to untape it, I'm letting it dry. I got a heater sitting here blowing into the wheel well. It's getting warmer, but it was high 50s, low 60s this morning, and I just wanted to make sure this actually dried. So, looking good here. I've got the sway bar bushings on, and the new end links are on. I'll show you over here. So, new end links, sway bar bushings are in. So now I'm down to, I got to take this side apart, but did go to O'Reilly's this morning, spec'd out some gaskets and a PCV for this. So PCV valve cover gasket, and then I guess there's an O-ring gasket back here on the cam position sensor that I'll probably get as well just because. So I haven't ordered it yet because I'm guessing I'm going to need some other stuff too, so do it in one shot. But for now, getting prices, it wasn't too bad. It was like 25 bucks, I think, 30 bucks for the gasket and all the things. So hopefully here soon, once all this paint dries and we're done painting and stuff, I can start assembling the passenger front here today. First thing I got to do is get the strut assembled, which shouldn't be a big deal. And then I got new hats, and I also have new boots and all the things that go with it. So should be able to slam that together once the paint dries, and then I'll put the strut in. And then I need to press in the urethane bushing still. So I'll do the upper control arm first, get that done, get it in the car, and then we'll work on the lower, and then we'll just start hooking stuff up. Get the steering rods on with the new boots and everything. Should go quick. Caliper bracket, you know, just start assembling, and we should be cooking with hot grease here pretty quick. And my goal is today to have all this back together if I can, and then tomorrow be over on the passenger or the driver's side, ripping and tearing, and get this right. So that's my hope. So stay tuned for all of this. I'm gonna keep going here, guys. I'm gonna put another coat on this spring, and if you're wondering what I'm painting it with, I got some aluminum engine paint. So the color's aluminum, but it's the engine enamel with ceramic, which stands up to 500 degrees. Not that it's ever going to get 500 degrees. It's a coil spring, but it's what I had, so that's what we're using. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to get on this, and I'll be back soon. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Project Miata here at Brown's Rod and Custom. It's been a good day. I did not film a lot. I got a little bit, but we got a lot done. So let's do a kind of a before and after. So this is what the wheel well looked like before on the passenger side. This is the driver's side, but same thing. This is what we have now. Got the caliper painted red. I gotta wipe that off with some lacquer thinner. But urethane bushings are in. Painted the springs silver. Got the new KYB shocks in. It's all hooked back up. Also installed the new sway bar end links and sway bar bushings are in, as well as the new steering rod, steering rack boot, and tie rod on this side. And the new ball joint. Now mind you, yes, I know I have to tighten everything down, but it's in. A lot of it's tightened down, but I got to do the ball joints still. But what do you guys think? You guys like this? I think I'm done for today, but tomorrow I'll come in here and torque everything to spec and get that wheel well liner in, and then I'm going to jump over on the driver's side and start tearing it apart. And I already hit everything with PB Blaster, and I already did a couple things over there. So sway bar end link, I swapped it out on the driver's side already, and I've also swapped out the sway bar bushing on the other side. So sway bar's done. I did have to rent a spring compressor. That wasn't too bad. It was like 55 bucks, I think, from O'Reilly's to rent it. And to be honest, these I will video how we got the bushings out and got the urethane bushings in. It was relatively simple if you do it the way I'm going to show you. And I honestly didn't really need the tool that I rented. So the $285 tool, I don't know that I really needed that. There's other ways to do it, and they seemed a lot better. So see what happens. But anyway, guys, this is where we're at. I'm pretty happy with this. I like how it looks. Everything looks amazing. Now it just has to actually perform the way I want it to. And mind you, I did nothing to the brakes other than paint the caliper and the backing plate. I did nothing to the control arms. I put the uppers, I put urethane bushings in, and I painted them. The factory ball joint is still on the top of the upper because it was good. The lower, I did urethane bushings, and I did a new ball joint. And we've got new KYB shocks with the boot and new hats. That's what we did. Today was very, very successful. Really happy with how this looks. The owner's really happy with it. Been sending him pictures all day. So tomorrow, tighten everything down, and then get it torqued, and then come over here and tear this one apart. And then do the same thing. Clean it, paint everything up, disassemble, install the new stuff, and with any luck this side will go as good as the other side did, and we'll blow right through it. This side should go a lot faster. I know what I'm doing now. Before I had no idea. Well, I mean, I've done cars before, but never a Miata. We're just kind of learning as I went. So that's the plan. Stay tuned, guys. We are rocking over here, and try to get you some more content tomorrow. And I'll film a lot better on the driver's side. I'll go step by step with you guys. I'm gonna undo these bolts here, and then this, and so on and so forth. And you'll be with me the whole time, other than kind of different than what I did here. Here I was just learning. There, we're just gonna show you guys how to do it. So stay tuned for all of that. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom. Please like and subscribe.